Hello, my name is Faizan Akbar and my company name is Bristal Enterprises. We have a company in Pakistan. We manufacture the pliers, the cutters for the jewelry industry as well as for the optical industry. Today I am going to introduce the cutter. It's a very nice cutter, lightweight. All cutter is manufactured with the stainless steel. We have the nice and soft sleeves on the legs, on the handles. So I would like to give you the demonstration that how it works. For example, you have the small staples pins for the rimless frames. It is very effective and a very nice cutter to cut the plastic sleeves, and it cut very nice and fresh like this. So it can cut like it. Yes, so very nice. It cut the plastic sleeves which is used for the rimless frames, for the three-piece frames. So if you need any further information, please let me inform, and we will be more than happy to give you the information. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.